Hi guys, my name is Devanshi and today I'm going to be teaching you a routine on the song called What You Know About Love by Pop Smoke. So I'll show you the choreography first and then we'll go over the steps. So that was the choreo. Now I'll teach you the steps. So the first four counts are your legs, so this is my left leg, this is my right hand. You're going to pick up your left leg and you're going to bend your body a little forward. This is going to be one, and then you're going to make a semicircle with your leg. So the step is going to be 1, 2, and your hands are going to push forward when you pull your leg up, 1, and then they're going to come back when the leg goes down, and then you're going to go around with your hands when the leg makes a semicircle. So 1, 2. After that, we do the same thing with the right leg. So 3, 4. When the leg goes up, hands move forward. They come back when the leg goes down, and then you take your hands around when the leg makes a semicircle. So those are the first 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So we're gonna end over here. The next 4 steps are 1. You're gonna run. So your right foot is at the back. You're gonna take the first step 1. You're gonna take the second step 2. Right? So 1, 2. Switch your legs. So your right leg is in the air at the end. Left leg goes up at a slight angle and fingers point up because the lyrics says you. So like pointing at you. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So you're going to bring your leg back on 1 and your hands are going to come to your chest because the lyrics is me. So for you, you go to me. We end over here like this. Your hands come up to the chest and the leg moves back. So making like a V shape. So we ended here. 1, 2, 3, 4 is you're gonna drag your right foot forward like this, and your hands are gonna, as if you're doing a pull-up, but like you're staying on the ground. So from here it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So we end over here after the drag in the front. We're going to take our left foot out. We're going to take the left foot out and our hands are going to go like this. You're going to bend your body to the left side. Hands go like this and then you bring them up. So, but we're going to do this kind of facing at a 45 degrees on the left side. So, we've ended here. Hands go like 1. Right? Left foot comes out and you make the swing motion happen with your hand. So 1, then same with the right foot. So 2. We bend it here. It's going to be 1. Then with the right foot move it forward and 2. After this, 1, 2, 3. That's the motion of the hand. So the motion of the leg is 1, 2, 3. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, and then from 1, 2, 3 it's 1, right leg crosses over 2, 3. So on 3 you're going to make right angles facing downwards with your hand. Your legs are going to go right foot out, bring it back in, left foot out, bring it back in. Then again right foot out, bring it back in, and left foot out, bring it back in. So the hands are going to be, first you cross over when the right foot comes out. So 1, and slightly turn your body to the back. So 1, 2. When the left foot comes out, you open the cross. And then the lyrics is like what you see. So it's going to be 1, 2. When this leg comes out again, right leg comes out again, the right hand is going to be on the waist, and your left hand is going to be on your forehead as if you're looking at something in the far distance. So it's 1, 2, 3. Bring this back. So when you bring the right leg back, you're going to look down and then back up. So when you're looking back up, the left leg comes up. You're doing like a rotation while your right hand stays on the hip. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? After this, we end over here. You're going to take your left foot out and just come to the side. So, sorry, take your right foot out. So we've ended over here. We bring this foot back in. We're going to take the right foot front, cross over the left foot and come here. So we're like just moving sideways with a little swag. So we've ended here. 1, 2, 3. Right? Now the hand movement for the 1, 2, 3 is as if you're pulling a rope. 1, 2, 3. Right? The same thing we're going to do on that side. So we end over here. You step a little more out with your left foot, and then you cross over the right foot, and then you come to the side. Hand motions are same, but you are pulling yourself towards the left. So 1, 2, 3. Right? After that also it's an easy 4 counts. You bring your right foot, this leg is gonna stay still, it's not going to move for these 4 counts. You bring your right foot outwards as if you're putting something out there, and you do the same motion with your hand. Your left hand is gonna be straight. So 1, twist your leg in as if you're picking something and put it inside. So 1, 2. Then we're making a semicircle, doing the step 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to end facing backwards. Now what we're doing at the back is essentially the same dragging that we did in the front. So we've ended at the back like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pull ourselves towards, it's going to be the right, like if you are facing backwards, you pull yourself to the right first. The same way in the front, how we pull ourselves to the right. So we're going to go right, then we're going to go left. After 1, 2, 3, we're going to have to run 2 steps while the legs are running on the spot. So 1, 2. We're going to kick with our left leg first. So starting here, we go 1, 2. Okay? We're going to go 1. Right hand comes up. 1, 2. After the 2, you kick this leg forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go again. So we've ended here after the drag. So what we're going to do is run on the right leg first, left leg first, then run on the right leg, bring it forward. When we bring it forward, the hands are going to go in the opposite direction like this. Then we're going to pull with our hands and our leg is going to go to that side. So like this. And we twist our body along with the leg. It happens faster, so it's easier. So we're going to go 1, and after that, cross over the left foot behind the right foot, bring the right foot front, and step forward once with the left foot. And that's it. Choreo is done. So let's go over it from the top once. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.